Assalamu alaikum. Here is Rizwana and today we are going to learn about phonic sounds of O. First of all, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon and click on all option so that you may find the notifications of all my upcoming videos. So let's start our today's video. Letter O is the fourth vowel letter and pronounced differently like other letters. The four sounds of the letter O: the short vowel sound or O or the A sound, the long vowel sound of O or the sound of A, the long vowel sound of O or the sound of O, the long sound of O. Let's discuss all these sounds one by one. The short vowel sound of O or the O sound, A. To produce the short vowel sound of O, the jaw drops while the tongue is low and flat, as in stop. The vocal tract opens to pronounce the short O. Short O has a longer duration as compared of the vowels. The short vowel sound of O or the O sound, A. The phonics short of O sound is the vowel sound, as in hop, top, mop, tot, pot, lot, job, shop, stop, box, cot, etc. The long vowel sound of O or the sound of A. To make the A sound, the corners of the lips come in a little so the lips flare away from the face. The back of the tongue lifts towards the back of the roof of the mouth. The front of the tongue remains down, but it might be pulled slightly back. So, it's not quite touching the back of the bottom front teeth. The long vowel sounds O or the sound of A. Examples of this sound A of the letter O is used in words like love, Monday, dove, etc. The long sound of O or O. The vowel O makes an O sound if the ending E is silent. The O sound would be O. The long sound of O as O sound. The examples of the long O sound are mort, rope, bore, core, rose, for, pour, etc. The long sound of O. To make this sound, make a round shape of your lips. The voice for this sound comes from the back of the throat. A few examples of the same are tomato, potato, total, go, foot, goat, etc. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and also comment in the comment section. This is all about today's video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.